So we're getting ready to shoot the video on how to do a classic car tune-up. Our buddy Michael Bragg's 70 car in it. It's a great, great street driver. So one of the things before you dig into actually turning wrenches on the thing and digging in, you want to look over the car and see if there's anything unusual, anything out of the ordinary, anything that needs to be looked into, investigated. So up top, everything looks really good. But this car has got half a century of grime and gack and all sorts of ugliness underneath. So the easiest way to see what's going on down there is old school method. You take a cardboard box, you open it up like this, and you slide it underneath, and you let the car sit. And then if there is a problem, it'll show up on the cardboard, and you can identify where the leaks are. So let's see. We stuck this under here before. Let's see. No, nothing to see here. It looks good. All right, so let's just dig in and get to work. So we'll have this going a little while. Tune in later for the results.